Hello, Chris Andrews, Commercial Fleet Manager here at Rothrock Motor Sales. We carry Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Nissan, as well as a full lineup of Ram commercial products. We now have a new product line of performance trucks and Jeeps. This particular truck is a 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn fitted by TECSTAR. We're also going to be carrying SCA, Black Widow, Sherrod, and Rocky Mountain and Rocky Ridge trucks as well. This one has a 6-inch lift, 37-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Tires on 20-inch custom black and milled wheels, fender flares with black bolts, also going to have black badging and logos around the entire truck, makes it a nice standout, cab length black horse side steps, matte finish vent shades, and on the inside we're going to have custom fit black leather interior, as well as the 12-inch screen that is a Ram exclusive for their 1500s, 2500s, and 3500s. Also have performance exhaust on this truck, and they do come with the full factory warranty because TECSTAR is an approved Ram upfitter, so it'll have no effect on your warranty. If you're interested in a truck like this or any of our products, please give me a call, 484-223-0623. Thank you.